Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to hide album on your iPhone. This can add an extra layer of privacy by removing the hidden album from the Photos app completely. To get started, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the Utilities section, and you'll notice the hidden album appears there if it's currently enabled. Now, exit the Photos app and open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, tap on the search bar at the top and type Photos. From the search results, tap on Photos to open the Photos settings page. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Show Hidden Album. If this option is enabled, the hidden album will appear inside the Photos app. Simply tap the toggle next to Show Hidden Album to turn it off. Once disabled, return to the Photos app and scroll down to the Utilities section again. You'll notice that the hidden album is no longer visible, making it much harder for someone to know that you have hidden photos on your device. Keep in mind that your hidden photos are not deleted. They remain safely stored on your iPhone and can be accessed again by re-enabling the Show Hidden Album option in Settings. That's it. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.